In our fast-paced world, our minds are often caught between memories of the past and worries about the future. We replay old regrets, plan endlessly for what's ahead, and forget to truly live. But the Buddha taught that peace is not found in yesterday or tomorrow. It exists only in this very moment. The present is where life unfolds, where joy is experienced, and where freedom from suffering begins. In this video, we'll explore how to embrace the present moment through Buddhist wisdom so you can cultivate inner peace and clarity. Let's begin. To truly live in the present moment, we first need to understand its nature. The Buddha teaches us that the present is when life is happening. It's the only time we can truly experience anything. The past has already slipped away, and the future has not yet arrived. When we become obsessed with either, we miss the richness of the present. But how can we live in the present if we're constantly distracted or lost in thought? To live fully in the present, we must become aware of it. Pay attention to what's around you right now, the sensations, the feelings, the thoughts. With mindfulness, you begin to notice how the present moment is filled with beauty and experience, and how every moment is an opportunity to be fully alive. Many of us carry the weight of past experiences, mistakes, regrets, or unresolved issues. The Buddha's teachings remind us that the past no longer exists. It's a memory, a collection of images and emotions. By holding on to these memories, we allow them to control us. It's like carrying a heavy backpack filled with rocks, each one representing a past regret or sorrow. But the Buddha teaches us that we are not our past. By letting go of the past, we free ourselves. This isn't about forgetting, but about releasing the hold it has over us. The past is impermanent, just like everything else in life. It's only by releasing it that we make room for new experiences, fresh perspectives, and true peace. As the Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Let your thoughts be in the present, where peace resides. Much like our attachment to the past, we often find ourselves trapped by our fears and worries about the future. What will happen tomorrow? Will I succeed? Will things get better? The Buddha teaches us that attachment to the future creates anxiety. Why? Because the future is an illusion. It's a projection of our mind. It hasn't yet arrived, and we have no control over it. Rather than fixating on what may or may not happen, we can bring our focus back to the present. Take a deep breath. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice the world around you, right here and now. In doing so, we can release the need to control the future and accept that it will unfold in its own time, just as the present is unfolding now. As the Buddha wisely said, when we are mindful of the present, we release the fear of the unknown. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully engaged in whatever we're doing without distractions. Whether you're washing dishes, walking in nature, or having a conversation, mindfulness is the art of being present. The Buddha teaches that mindfulness is the foundation of all spiritual practice. It brings clarity and understanding into our lives. When we're truly mindful, every moment becomes rich with meaning. We become fully engaged in life, no longer distracted by the noise of the mind or the world. The next time you find yourself in an ordinary moment, pause for a second and ask yourself, can I be fully present here? Can I pay attention to the sights, sounds, and feelings without letting my mind wander? One of the simplest and most effective ways to return to the present moment is by focusing on our breath. The breath is always with us. It's our anchor in the present. When we feel overwhelmed, anxious, or distracted, we can bring our attention back to the breath. The Buddha often taught that the breath is the key to mindfulness. With each inhale and exhale, we return to our natural state of calm and awareness. Take a moment right now. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Let go of everything else for this moment. With every breath, you return to the present, and in that space, you find peace. This simple act of breathing can remind us that the present is always available to us. Living in the present moment also means embracing compassion, both for ourselves and others. The Buddha taught that suffering arises when we judge or resist the present moment. But when we practice acceptance and kindness, we allow life to unfold naturally. Be compassionate with yourself as you are right now. Let go of self-criticism and be gentle with your imperfections, and extend this compassion to others. When we are present with someone, truly listening and understanding, we form deeper, more meaningful connections. The more we embrace acceptance and compassion in the present, the more peace we create for ourselves and for the world around us. Another key to living in the present moment is letting go of attachment and desire. The Buddha taught that attachment to things, people, or outcomes leads to suffering. We often desire more success, more possessions, more recognition, but these desires can trap us in a cycle of dissatisfaction. When we let go of our attachment to things or outcomes, we can enjoy life just as it is. Living without attachment means appreciating life as it is, without constantly grasping for more. It's about enjoying the present fully and freely, without expecting anything in return. As the Buddha said, attachment is the root of suffering. Letting go of attachment allows us to experience true joy in the present moment. Impermanence is one of the core teachings of Buddhism. Everything is in a constant state of change. The Buddha taught that by accepting impermanence, we free ourselves from the fear of loss and change. Whether it's joy, sadness, success, or failure, everything passes. This understanding allows us to fully embrace the present moment. By embracing change, we can live more fully in the moment, without clinging to any particular outcome. Life is a flow. When we accept this, we can enjoy the journey instead of fearing the destination. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation or special moments. It can be practiced in everyday life. Whether you're doing something as simple as walking, eating, or talking to someone, there's an opportunity to be fully present. The key is to bring awareness to the little things, the way the sun feels on your skin, the taste of your food, or the sound of someone's voice. Being present in the simple moments is where life truly happens. The more we bring awareness to our daily actions, the more we experience the richness of life. Every moment is an opportunity to be mindful. In the end, the present moment is where true peace and freedom reside. By practicing mindfulness, letting go of attachments, and embracing the impermanence of life, we unlock a deep sense of inner calm. The Buddha taught that freedom comes from living in the present moment, unburdened by the past or future. In this space, we find clarity, peace, and the true joy of being alive. If you found inspiration in these teachings, consider subscribing to our channel. Join us as we continue to explore the wisdom of the Buddha and discover how we can live more peacefully and mindfully. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from living in the present moment. Remember, peace is always available to us, right here, right now.